on the Audi A4 again. We got a new intercooler and the old one's already out, so right now he's just installing the new one. Just put it up there and mounted it, and I'm catching it on right now.
It's not to mount it. All you gotta do is this your mounting bracket, and it sits in the factory tabs. You look at the tabs underneath on both sides. The tabs, it's got to slide in the tabs.
Yeah, so we're just getting started on putting on a new one right now.
And there's all the new piping. It's only 3 pieces of piping.
And we got a pipe there,
A pipe there,
a pipe there,
and that's the throttle body pipe.
and the last pipe right there.
And all your couplers and clamps are up there.
Comes with all new couplers and clamps right here. So this is the next mod that's being installed. Here's the old intercooler. And the ECS kit came with a new turbo muffler delete right there.
Yeah. Which is easy. It's just 3 Allen head bolts.
So we got one hump coupler on the turbo muffler, and he's just situating the clamp so it's easy, easy access to tighten and loosen. We got a straight coupler right there and hump coupler fully tightened up, and the 2 shroud pieces on both sides are put in, and now the intercooler, just straightened up the intercooler to where it needs to be, centered it, and now he's going to tighten it down so it stays in position. We got this pipe on that has a sensor on it and catching the 3 nuts to hold it back on after we slid it on the studs. Down here we got on the intercooler, on the driver's side, we got a straight coupler and 2 hose clamps. So we'll get that on. And then the last pipe, there's just one more pipe to do after.
Throttle body pipe.
Yeah, just a throttle body pipe is left after this pipe. The last pipe is in, we got a hump right there. So we got a hump coupler right there and a straight coupler right there. And that's it. Intercooler is fully done. It's fully installed. Now just to put the bumper back on and
all the belly pins, the wheel shrouds.
So now it's just back to putting everything back together. The car's all back together right now, and intercooler can be seen right there. You can see the coupler with the clamps right there through the hole. And up here, everything, this is how it's fitted with the engine cover on and everything. And everything looks good. So this will definitely help the car run cooler and more efficiently with the Stage 2 tune on it.